Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your band is not working with your Notify for Xiaomi app. If your band is not properly functioning, first you should make sure your band is properly charged. You can check that by simply looking at your band and making sure that it turns on and the battery indicator on your watch face is showing a high battery. Though just the fact that it turns on means that it is charged. Another thing you can do is to simply go here and make sure to click this button. This will reconnect to your watch, which should help you with working of the watch. Now if this doesn't work, go into device. Here you can try looking at more, or try looking at band settings. And here look if maybe you don't have anything weird turned on or off. Another thing you can try is to go into tools and make sure, and in here make sure you can test sensors to look if it works, which may not be supported, but I believe on this one it should be. So it's another thing you can try testing out. It does automatically disconnect sometimes, which is a bit worrying, but it should just reconnect whenever you try to sync or anything like that. Though it might not be the best. That being said, you can try to search for a certain setting, which probably will be in here, settings. Here go to advanced, and in here make sure keep data on smartwatch is turned off, because it being turned on will over time may cause the storage on the smartwatch to clog up and cause the smartwatch to not work properly. So just make sure it's turned off. Another thing you can of course try is to go into settings, hit again in advanced, make sure you have stable connection turned on to maybe help the app stay connected. And that's about it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.